Can I fry first?
Hey, be careful.
I'm gonna cook mine first.
Where you going?
I wanna fry. He's gonna cook it. That's how I'm doing mine.
Man, does it
This here is Jubal,
Huh.
and he just ate a live cricket.
Hey.
I'm fixing to do it. You ate it live with the oven and stuff?
Yeah, will you get my jug of water on the other end of that table over there? I need to wash it the rest of the way down.
Right there.
You have to. Here's one. Either one. Move, I got dripping chocolate over here. I'll eat another one live.
Alright, let me see that thing. Come over here.
I'll eat another one live.
We got a roasted cricket on a piece of chocolate.
And you gonna eat it? Yeah, get your cup over there. You need to
My name's Jeb, and I'm a superhero.
I'll eat it.
Let's see
Eat it,
Jeb.
Jeb. Eat it.
Jeb, 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 Jeb,
Jeb,
Jeb, Jeb, Jeb, Jeb, Jeb, Jeb, Jeb, Jeb.
Ow, it's hot.
Jeb.
I'm just gonna eat it.
Well, he pull off.
Which one's
Jubal!
Number 2 for Jubal.
Oh, man, he's good.
Do it.
How go?
What did you say? Another one. This is nasty.
There ain't no white fish like yeah, Brent. Brent needs one.
It's gonna cute.
Did he get one? Yeah.
Yeah, now he's back. Oh, there it is.
Get away from that fire barefoot.
It jumped out of his mouth.
Go ahead, camera. Go
It
ahead.
doesn't have no taste. It jumped out of his mouth. I'm serious.
It ain't got no taste, dude. It's fine. It doesn't have no taste.
I'm just letting this cool off. It doesn't have no taste.
Come on, Cameron.
Come on over here so I can get you.
Yeah, Cameron. Christian.
Cameron. It's nasty.
He got it. You did it.
Jeb, take a video. Take a picture of me eating this like swallowed. Jeb, take a picture of me eating
Yeah, all right, Christian. Oh my God. Let's see Christian do it.
Yeah, I did.
Cuz over here got a chocolate covered cricket.
Oh, yeah, let's see, Jeb.
I gotta cook it.
Come on, Jeb. Cricket. Come on. Come on, Jeb.
Jeb, it doesn't taste at all.
To chew it.
Jeb's gonna puke.
Chocolate covered cricket.
1, 2, 3. Jeb, take a video of me eating one more.
We're going for round 3.
I'm doing another one.
Jeb, come on, Jeb.
I gotta get my drink over here.
Jeb, take a video of me.
Yeah, I'm using a drink.
What are you doing?
Drop it. I'm gonna eat another one. Jeb, come on, Jeb. I'm about
It's
to
stirred cricket.
We gotta show this to the church.
That'd be funny.
Jeb, come on. You don't take a picture.
I'm about to puke. Now leave me alone.
Drop it. Press the top button down. No, the chocolate.
What'd you do? Get sick? Press which one, do?
Where's the top? That big button, and keep it down. Keep your finger
I gotta
on
keep
it.
holding it while I'm
Yeah.
recording? Okay. All right.
Go.
That's what I do.
Okay, go.
Hey,
Well,
where's
you
the little
tasted the
pokers?
chocolate.
Hey.
All right. See if you can play it back. You might have to eat another if it didn't record. No, I don't eat no more.
There we go.
You gonna get sick, bro. How many you done had? About 5?
No, yeah.
Third one.
No, this is my 4th one. I just ate my 4th.
Oh, I don't eat no more.
Why?
Huh?
Why? I said why? Why you say why? They're good. I love them. They taste really good.
I'm making me a chocolate covered one.
I'm just eating chocolate.
Y'all watch out for them fishing rods, serious.
Hey, I need some light over here. You're fixing to be roasted. Whatchamacallit? Cricket-oroni. Oh, how much did you get?
Ugh.
Spewed in my face.
What? Ow.
The gut spewed in my face. Where's it at? Where's it at? Thank you. There's both chocolate on it. I'm gonna try this. If I puke, I'm blaming you. Hold on, I can't see. Yo, I can't
Overall,
see.
it tasted good.
It tastes like chicken.
I say it.
Caught on fire.
Supposed to be a flammable
Now
cricket.
eat it, Britt.
Eat it! Eat it!
All right.
Eat it!
Watch
Eat
that
it!
rod reel.
Don't push.
Someone give me a cricket. Someone give me a cricket.
You just dropped it all over the lantern.
Oh, you gotta get a knife and
No,
get that
no,
up.
drop right there.
No, it didn't. It's all over the side of the lantern. Get it.
Yeah, look at it.
Paper towels and
No,
get it
look.
up. Yes, huh?
It's right there.
No, I dropped it right
That's the
here.
No,
cricket
it's right
right
there.
there.
Hurry up and get paper towels before it dries.
Right there, that box.
Somebody stand that rod and reel up before y'all step on it and break it. Both of them.
Shout.
Just like that.
Shout.
Well, there's that stick. That's all messed
Hey,
up and dirty.
every bit of that got to get off that lantern. Quick, get it off of the lantern.
It's all.
No, it's not. No. You ain't even doing up smudging.
You're making it worse. That thing's gonna go boom.
Dude.
No,
It's
you-
not done. That ain't your lantern. You don't leave it like that.
I know, I'm getting roasted.
Okay, we'll get you another paper towel.
That's disgusting. Tasted nasty.
You didn't even.
You didn't even eat it.
Yeah, I did.
Come on, you got more chocolate.
I know, right? That thing will have ants on it.
Wet that napkin a little bit and wipe it off.
Disgusting.
You was eating the
Don't.
chocolate